Hi everybody, my name is Marie Hyde and I'm just going to do a quick introduction about me and my family. So I'm all the way to the left there. This is with my family in Disney World, as you can probably guess. We like to sneak down to Florida during the cold months of February and get a little sunshine, and my kids are a little fanatical about Disney World, so we have a really good time there. I'm married to my husband McKay, and we have four really awesome kids. We live in New Jersey. My husband and I were both born and raised in Utah, and then when my husband graduated from the University of Utah, we moved to Pasadena, California, for my husband to do some graduate school, and then we moved to St. Paul, Minnesota, for a postdoc position, and then to Houston, Texas, where my husband taught at Rice University. And then he left academia and we moved to New Jersey, and he works in Manhattan in finance now. So we love living in New Jersey. It's an awesome place to live. There's not a lot of members of the church, but there's a lot of fun things to do. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I have a really good time with my kids, even though they're starting to grow up and move out. My oldest son, Cooper, is a student at the Berklee College of Music in Boston. This is a quick visit that we made last weekend up to watch the Boston Marathon and to fill my son's fridge with some groceries while we were there and to spend a little time with him. My daughter Miriam, who is the girl on the right, is a senior in high school, and she'll be going to BYU Provo in the fall. And then I have a daughter, Rinda, who's a freshman, and Peter, who is in 7th grade. So because we live close to New York City, we get to do a lot of really fun things. Our favorite thing to do as a family is to sneak into the city and see a Broadway show now and then, and my kids are a little crazy about it, and we try to do it as often as we can afford it. It's very expensive, but we have a good time going in to see a Broadway show when we can. This is a picture of our two dogs, Janet and Tilly, and Janet is the weirdest name for a dog, I know, but my daughter chose it and it really does fit her. She's adorable. So I'm looking forward to learning together with everybody in this class. I think that learning about psychological development through our entire lives is a really important thing to understand. I think it will help me be a better mom and wife. And I think it will be really useful to me as I consider going to graduate school when I'm finished with my degree at BYU, Idaho. So I look forward to getting to know the rest of you and learning together. Here's to a really great semester.